every single time we post a new video. You can know. Go ahead and hit the little. Make sure that our peppers are nice and well buttered. And we're going to place them inside the incubator. Hit the subscribe button and hit the little dingle bell. It'll alert you every single time that we have a new video. Hello, welcome back to Paragon Ridge Ranch. Chrissy here. Today we're going to be planting my peppers. Now, today's the very last frost date for Zone 7A, and it's beautiful. It's probably close to 80 degrees today. Had to put sunscreen on, but I have been sowing all my seeds today in my greenhouse. Now, as you know, peppers are really finicky because they love it to be very warm when they germinate, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do about that. But first, let's go through the peppers that we're going to grow. Let's get them planted, and then I'll show you how I'm going to germinate them. Today we're going to start, and we are going to use these Burpee Superseeds. This is the 36 cell pack. I showed you these a few months ago on my live and on a couple of videos. So I do absolutely love them. They have silicone bottoms. When the seedling's ready to be up potted, you just go boop, and it pops right out. And it comes with this great heavy plastic tray, so you can do your bottom watering on it. The soil we're going to use today is Happy Frog. This one has mycorrhizal fungi and humic acid. Now the seeds. There's a lot of seeds. Our family does love bell peppers in any kind of color, and that's generally what I buy at the store. However, I do sometimes buy jalapenos. I'm not much of a hot pepper purchaser, but I know that I could feed it to my chickens, so why not grow some? And then maybe I could start putting a little bit in salsas. Okay, so my mouth is watering, you know, when you know something's hot or sour. Okay. Let me think about this. I am gonna grow some hot peppers. Not quite sure why or how. I'm gonna try it because I have not had success with it before, and I've got a good variety of them. What I'm most excited about will be just the California Wonders plain bell peppers in different colors. And I hope and pray to get enough to use for fresh cooking and also to cut into slices and freeze, so in the future I can use them for cooking. Let's go through this variety and get them planted. Next, we're going to do a quick watering. We're going to dampen the top of the soil just a little bit. After that, we will always water underneath in the pan, so then the soil and the plants can pull up their hydration. Here are the varieties that we are going to grow. We are going to grow the regular California Wonder, which is a green bell pepper. And then between these two different brands, this says Carnival Blend. I think that's just the name of them from company to company. So then we have a sweet banana. Have never grown this before, but excited about it. You can't beat for $4. And then we're going to move over to what I think might be a little bit of a hotter variety set here. We got the Hungarian Yellow Wax, which is a Spanish variety. We've got the Serrano Chili, which is a Spanish variety. We've got the Cayenne Long Slim Red, another Spanish variety. And then we got the Habanero. And then the last is the Robertson Belly Acres Piquin Peppers that they got in Corpus Christi. You've got to see these. Are those not cute as can be? I've never seen these before until I went to Robertson Belly Acres house. They showed them to me, and then we did the seed exchange, and I was lucky enough to get some. So I'm very excited about growing these. Let's get to planting. Let's start with our trusty, just regular green bell peppers. Let me tell you a little bit about them. They take 10 to 21 days to germinate. You sow them at 1/4 inch. Space seeding is 1 inch. Row spacing is 2 to 2.5, and they take 70 to 75 days to harvest. Sweet pepper Carnival Blend. 70 days to harvest. 1/4 inch depth, spacing 18 to 24 inches, full sun, obviously. This says it includes 20% Orange Sun, 20% California Wonder, 20% Golden California Wonder, 20% Purple Beauty, and 20% Diamond. I do love Purple Beauty, and I don't know what Diamond is, but I'm so excited to have it. Then we go to sweet banana peppers. 10 to 20 days to germinate, 1/2 inch to sow them, seeds 1/2 inch spacing, and your rows are 24 inches, and days to harvest are 72 days. This says a popular sweet pepper variety bears 5 to 7 inch long fruits that are curved like a banana. The yellow green peppers mature to a brilliant red with a mild sweet flavor. Dun-dun-dun. Now we're gonna do the hot ones. This is the Hungarian Yellow Wax. It says that spicy, medium, hot flavor, and colorful fruit are a favorite. Crispy, waxy 6-inch peppers turn from yellow to a crimson at maturity. So this is 65 days to harvest, 10 to 20 days to germinate, 1/4-inch sowing. Serrano chili. For those who like it hot, slim, dark green, bullet-shaped peppers explode with wild hot flavor. Fruits turn red at maturity. These are 75 to 80 day harvest. They are a 10 to 20 day germination. The same 1/4-inch sowing. Make sure your seed spacing is 18 inches and your rows are 2 foot. Cayenne. Whew. Cayenne pepper. The same 1/4-inch spacing, 10 to 20 days to germinate, 70 to 75 days to harvest. Seed spacing 18 inches, so that's pretty big, and then 24 to 26 inches row spacing. So this one says, slender, hot variety of pepper that's excellent for pickling and canning as well as for drying. The dried flakes may be sprinkled on chilies, salsa, and other dishes. 2 more. Habanero. Habanero. Green fruit ripens to a fiery orange red, adding intense heat to spicy foods. One chili can season an entire dish. Harvest is 90 days. Depth of sow is 1/4-inch. 10 to 12 days to germinate, seed spacing 2 inches, and row spacing 2 foot. And then I've already showed you the cute little Piquins that we got from Robertson Billy Acres. Okay, so these Piquin peppers, as you see, they're so tiny and they are fully intact. So we are gonna open them up. And that is just one. That was like 20 seeds in one of these tiny, tiny little peppers. So these Piquin peppers originated in Mexico, and they're from the state of Tabasco, and they are used in sauces and salsa. Piquin pepper is a 4 out of 5 as far as hot. And I kind of gotta tell you that my hand feels like it's burning right now. It did not feel that way with any of the other peppers, so definitely feeling the heat through my skin already. That's crazy. Now it's just time to cover all the seeds, and we're just gonna use my finger and we're gonna cover them all nice. This is nice, wet, moist soil. We're just gonna cover these peppers 1/4 inch down. All right, everyone, we are completely done with our peppers. We have sowed them all 1/4 inch. We have how many varieties? Comment below on how many varieties you think we have. Did you watch the whole video through yet? Pay attention. Comment below how many varieties that I planted. There might be a fun prize in it for you. Go ahead, comment below. Now it's time to show you how they're going to germinate. They love heat. Don't forget, they love heat. Just like these hot peppers love heat. Well, here you have it. This is how we are gonna germinate our pepper seeds fast. Yes, that's right. We're gonna use an incubator. This is a regular incubator that you would use to incubate eggs. It's the Little Giant Styrofoam Chick Incubator. And as you can see here, it is a little dirty and dusty because I did use it last year to germinate peppers. We are gonna fill the bottom with some water just for a little bit added humidity. And then we're gonna put the peppers in, and we're gonna put the top on, and this is gonna keep it at about 100.1 degrees. Why am I using this? You ask why? The reason is because peppers like to be really warm when germinated. All my research shows between 75 and 95 degrees. I'm gonna just go up to the 100 because I know it works because I did it last year. Now, all your hot variety of peppers, they do take longer. So instead of a 7 to 10 germination where you start to see a cute little sprout coming up, the hot peppers can go up to 21 days before actually cresting the soil. So that's just crazy. We are gonna put these in. And there you have it. All our peppers are in the incubator. They're going to be about 100.1 degrees Fahrenheit. We will make sure that we keep you updated on the germination day by day. If you haven't already gone over to our Instagram, our Twitter, or our Facebook pages, they are all Paragon Ridge Ranch. And I do post pictures there and stories and things like that I don't get to share on YouTube because it's a completely different forum. But make sure you go out there and follow us, like us, thumbs up, whatever it is. Then you can see throughout the day the different things that we're doing here on the homestead. So much for watching today's videos on how to grow peppers or how I grow peppers here on the homestead. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little dingle bell. It'll alert you every single time that we have a new video. I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you so much for coming along with us. Hope you have a great night. Bye-bye. Wait. Did you think we were done? We're not done. We forgot the jalapenos. Let's get these babies planted.